I want to distinguish, there's big differences in opportunities. So let's say, supposing you have two people of comparable opportunities, and then they were going to do that. The marshmallow test is you take a kid and you say, okay, you can have one marshmallow now, or you could have two marshmallows in 15 minutes if you don't eat the first one, right? Once you start to realize that deferred gratification is going to make you better and so on, and you start to count and you say like something like, how many days, weeks, months, or years can I live if I don't have money come in? And you start to focus in on that. That's the first step, okay? Like the marshmallow test, okay? So I want to save. You got to start there. Then if you do that, you're necessarily going to go save in what? And then you'll start to get exposure to how these things are different. Okay, then you start to care. You can have one of these and one of those, and you start to experience, and then you start to learn. And basically, that's what makes the difference. Well, and what it does then, when it comes to the money, that means money. Now, at that moment that you don't want it, you have savings. That means I want savings. Now, you got savings. So the next thing inevitably that's going to come at you is, where do I put it? And then you get your choices, and then you experience it and you learn.